It starts with friendship, lovers, and sometimes they become an enemy, and now we witness their sweetest exchange of ideas. And now they become the official Mr. and Mrs. Peralta. Isa lang pa ulit malakas na palakpakan dyan. You know, you may now take your seat. At this point in time, let's proceed or let's highlight the most important part in their life as a husband and wife. And that is to hear a piece of advices coming from the respective principal sponsors. Our dearest Ninong and Niang, because you are not only standing as the second parents, but you are also the guidance of faith of the newlywed. So ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to call one representative from the Niang and from the Ninang to give his advice and to represent our Ninong. May I call on Mr. Noli Mercado. Give them a round of applause. Asan po ang representative ng ating Ninong? Palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Noli Mercado para naman po, yayaan na naman natin dito si Sir para magbigay ng isang message sa ating bagong kasal. Well, I guess, how about this? Ayan, dito na lang tayo sa malapit. Good afternoon, sir. What's your name? Can I invite you here in front just to give an advice to our newlywed? Ayan, anong pangalan ni sir? Good afternoon, sir. What's your name?
Hindi ko kabisado.
Magbigay lang po tayo ng advice sa ating bagong kasal. Wala. How about sir? Good afternoon. You are still one of the handsome Ninong of Mr. and Mrs. Peralta. Sir, can I have you in front just to give a short advice to our newlywed? Kahit anong advice po, or you may stay here if you comfort here, sir. Ano, tayo na po tayo. Paano ni sir?
I-advise ko lang sa bagong kasal na sana na sana magmahalan sila habang buhay at palakasin nila ang bawat isa't isa at habang nabubuhay sila magmahalan at magmahalan ng tapat. Yan lang po. Thank you.
Ayan, bigyan naman natin si sir ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Sir, what's your name again?
Rene po, Kamali.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ang isa sa pinakagwapong principal sponsors in Ninong ni Mr. and Mrs. Peralta, si Sir Rene. And now, to represent our dearest and beautiful Ninang. Ayan, sino kaya sa mga nagagandaan natin Ninang ang gustong mag-message ngayon? Ayan, good afternoon, ma'am. Wow, beautiful. Wow, an stunning Ninang we have here. Young at heart ang isang Ninang natin dito. Ma'am, what's your name?
Jenna Alberto.
Ayan, since walang tumayo na Ninong, ay walang pumunta sa harap, can I invite you for a while just to give an advice to our newlywed in front? Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si ma'am. Magbigay siya ng isang advice.